I'm in the ninth ward, but I'm not in the lower ninth ward. Golly. We picked a fine time to, well, here we go. All right. All right. This is my first time in years out here on foot. I haven't been right here in the ninth ward on St. Claude right here on foot in years. I used to walk down this street a long time ago when I was a child. 1990. Look at a rooster right here. A rooster. Other roosters. I hate when they crow. Never thought I'd hear them in real life though. Right by churches. I must meet them. You know. Golly, if I had money, I'd buy us a 10-piece right now. You know. Last time I've been in this church's chicken, it was in 1990. You know. Yes, indeed. That's when the last time I was in this church. And the dough don't look the same though. Nothing looks the same in there. Yeah, barely the same. All right.